We all want to whiten our skin. But for various reasons our skin becomes black. Today we will show you how to make your black skin fair and soft easily. Fast. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour in a bowl. Gram flour, which people use on the face like a pack, too, can be used to fight off oily skin problems, toxins, tan, acne problems, and dark spots. It is known to improve the texture of the skin and make it tighter. You must definitely consider it for your skincare routine. Add 1 tablespoon tomato puree. Tomato juice on face works as a natural astringent and constricts wide pores and inhibits the accumulation of dirt and oil. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt, whether the Greek or regular kind, also contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. Meanwhile, adding yogurt to your skincare regimen helps moisturize your skin and delay the signs of aging. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. Mix well. Apply this face pack on your face for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your face with normal water. After using it, be sure to leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.